Welcome to our in-depth review of the top 5 best action cameras in 2025. Discover cutting-edge features, unmatched durability, and stunning video quality. Stay tuned till the end to find out which model offers the best value for your adventures, plus an exclusive bonus tip to elevate your filming experience. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start with the video. Number 5. The GoPro Hero 12 Black Action Camera. Number 4. The Insta360X4 Action Camera. A powerhouse for capturing stunning 360-degree videos in crystal-clear 8K. Whether you're an adventurer or a content creator, this camera promises incredible footage with ease. Let's break down why the Insta360X4 is turning heads in the action cam world. The Insta360X4 shoots breathtaking 360-degree video in 8K or smooth 5.7K at 60 frames per second. Its active HDR keeps colors vibrant even in tricky lighting, perfect for action-packed moments that demand top-notch clarity and realism. Forget stressing about angles. Shoot first, then reframe later with the AI-powered Insta360 app. This feature lets you capture every moment freely and choose your perfect shot afterward, total creative freedom. Get those epic third-person shots with invisible selfie stick. It disappears in your footage, making you look like you've got a personal film crew or even a drone capturing your every move. Use the X4 as a traditional action cam too, shooting in 4K 60 FPS or ultra-wide 170 degrees max view at 4K 30 FPS. Perfect for dynamic, immersive perspectives beyond just 360 degrees. With flow state stabilization and horizon lock, your footage stays smooth no matter the action. Plus, it's tough, waterproof, and cold-resistant, ready for any adventure you throw at it. Insta360X4 combines stunning visuals, smart features, and rugged durability, all in one compact package. Whether you're exploring or creating, it's a game-changer for capturing your world. Number 3. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Action Camera. A game-changing action camera boasting an 8K sensor and Leica Summerit lens. If you want stunning visuals and top-tier features for your adventures, stick around. Let's explore what makes this camera stand out. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 features a brand new 1.3-inch 8K sensor with 13.5 stops of dynamic range. Combined with Leica's legendary optics, it delivers breathtaking clarity and color, supporting up to 8K 30 FPS and 4K 60 FPS active HDR video. Your footage will look ultra-sharp and vibrant every time. This camera houses 2 AI chips, a Pro imaging chip for noise reduction and a 5nm AI chip for lightning-fast processing. Together, they double the computing power, enhancing video quality and performance like never before. It's truly a technological leap in action cameras. With pure video mode and advanced AI noise reduction, low-light footage stays crisp and bright up to 4K 60 FPS. Plus, the new Wind Guard tech minimizes wind noise, ensuring your audio is clear and immersive even in the windiest conditions. Built tough for any environment, the Ace Pro 2 is waterproof up to 39 feet and withstands cold temperatures. The 157 degrees wide-angle lens and flow state stabilization guarantee smooth, wide shots, perfect for diving, biking, or any thrilling activity. The 2.5-inch flip touchscreen offers enhanced brightness and durability. Magnetic mounts make switching accessories effortless, while AI auto-editing helps create highlight reels instantly. Sharing your epic moments has never been easier. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a powerhouse packed with innovation, perfect for creators seeking incredible image quality and smart features. Whether you're a pro or just love adventure, this camera will elevate your content to the next level. Number 2. The GoPro Hero 13 Black Action Camera. A true powerhouse designed for vloggers, filmmakers, and live streamers. Whether you're capturing epic adventures or creating polished content, this camera promises to make your creative process easier and more fun. Let's check it out. The Hero 13 Black looks sleek and feels solid in your hand. It's lightweight yet rugged, ready to handle anything from hiking trails to underwater shoots. Its waterproof design means no worries about rain or splashes, so you can take it anywhere without extra protection. With stunning 5.3K video and crisp 27MP photos, the Hero 13 delivers sharp, vibrant visuals every time. The improved sensor captures incredible detail and color, making your footage look professional straight out of the camera. GoPro's Hypersmooth 5.0 keeps your shots buttery smooth, even during the most intense action. Plus, new creative modes and live stream options give you plenty of ways to customize your content effortlessly. Battery life is solid for long shooting sessions, and the touch screen interface is intuitive and responsive. Pair it with the GoPro app to edit and share content on the go easily. Overall, the Hero 13 Black Creator Edition is a fantastic choice for anyone serious about content creation. Number 1. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Action Camera. A powerhouse action camera designed for adventurers and creators alike. From stunning night shots to ultra-stable footage, let's explore what makes this camera stand out in the crowded action cam market. The Osmo Action 5 Pro boasts a 1.3-inch sensor perfect for low-light conditions. Whether you're biking through city streets or capturing nighttime adventures, it delivers vibrant, clear footage even in the darkest environments, making your urban nightscapes truly pop. Thanks to the powerful 4nm chip, this camera tracks fast-moving subjects with incredible accuracy. Whether you shoot in 16:9 or 9:16, the framing stays smooth and reliable, keeping your action in perfect focus no matter how intense the scene. With up to 4 hours of battery life, the Action 5 Pro won't quit when you're in the zone. It's built for all conditions, ensuring you can record your adventures non-stop without worrying about frequent recharges. Dual OLED touch screens bring your footage to life with bright, true-to-life colors. These crisp screens make outdoor shooting and playback easy and enjoyable, so you get perfect framing and vivid results every time. Thanks to 360 degrees horizon steady, shaky movements have become a thing of the past. Whether you're vlogging, skiing, or biking, your footage stays smooth and professional looking, capturing every moment with clarity. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is an impressive blend of durability, tech, and usability. Perfect for night lovers, fast movers, and adventure seekers, it's a solid pick for anyone looking to elevate their action footage. Ready to capture your next adventure? This camera's got you covered.